Your surprise.
A phone?
Come on, Deontay, don't spoil the surprise. Look. It's in the bed.
Wow.
How do you feel?
Even though I don't sleep in your bed, so that don't make no sense.
Are you excited? Oh my God, your phone is finally here. You've been doing so good. I'm so proud of you.
How you doing?
Open it with care. There you go. What? What? Your phone.
I'm done.
Come here. Come here, Deontay. You don't want your phone? Say you want a phone. There you go. Deontay. Deontay, you don't want this flip phone though? Like,
Remove from
you
like,
say you want
I'm gonna slap it out your hand.
You say you want a phone, right?
A phone.
What are you two doing?
Nothing.
Oh, you guys fight over everything. First of all, get off of my bed. And get off of my bed. Okay, but a phone is a phone. It shouldn't even matter what type. Look, what's wrong with
You really
this?
got me that phone?
Yeah.
You serious?
Yes. It's a phone. What's wrong with this? Who wouldn't want to flip right now? Come on, man.
Serious?
A phone is a phone, right?
I'm like, you for.
Yeah, it's all I can afford. Don't rip my box, though. All you gotta do is charge it up.
That's messed up.
Don't you want a phone? A phone is a phone, right?
That's messed up.
You
That's messed up.
These don't come charged. You know
that's messed up, right?
You know, these phones don't come charged. You just gotta charge it up. So here's your flip.
Mommy.
How do you feel? I mean, you disappointed? Like, don't do that.
I really would do it.
If you break that phone, Deontay, you're gonna be on punishment. Like, seriously, because I paid money for that phone. Why you threw the phone on my bed? Put Deontay's phone down.
It's not my phone.
You don't want it?
No, it's not.
All that hard work that I did for nothing?
You know I wasn't even want that phone.
But it's the best I could do.
That's not the best you can do. The best you can do is getting me an iPhone 6.
Yes.
That's the best you can do.
Stop.
Because the iPhone 6 is the same amount of that phone.
You were so ungrateful.
How am I ungrateful? You just got me a flip phone.
I'm recording you.
Okay?
You don't want a flip phone.
Nobody wants a flip phone.
Look at the look on your face, though. Oh my God. I'm done with you.